Okay guys, now we're going to factorize by grouping. Okay, we got two examples for that. Okay guys, notice we have x cubed plus 5x squared plus x plus 5. Now guys, there is no common factor for those four terms. Okay, three of those terms have x's, but the last one doesn't. Okay, and two of those terms have 5 in them, but two of them don't. So there's no common factor for all four terms. So what we can do is we can group. Okay, the first two terms have x squared in common. Okay, now I'm just looking at the first two terms. Okay, now x squared times x gives me x cubed, and x squared times positive 5 gives me 5x squared. Now let's look at the next two terms. Now guys, I know when I group I want to have whatever's in the bracket occur twice. Okay, well I already have x plus 5. So what could I factor out to give me back x plus 5? I can factor out 1. Okay, now we have a common factor between these two terms of x plus 5. X plus 5 is common. Okay, so we can factor out x plus 5, leaving us x squared plus 1. Now gentlemen, if you want to see if you got this right, okay, you can expand. Okay, now I'm not expecting you to do this. You can do this in your head. Okay, x squared, x times x squared is x cubed. X times 1 is x. 5 times x squared is positive 5x squared. Okay, 5 times 1 is positive 5. And I can rearrange that as x cubed plus 5x squared plus x plus 5. Okay, so you can always check your work if you want to. Okay, let's look at the second one. Okay, now again guys, there's no common factors for every single term. So we group. Okay, we look at the first two. Is there anything that goes in the first two? Yeah, 2x. Okay, 2x times x gives me 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 gives me negative 2x. Okay, let's look at this one. What's the common factor here? Okay, well guys, I know I need a negative 1 here. Okay, so I'm going to factor out positive 5. So that's going to give me a bracket of x minus 1, because 5 times x is 5x, positive 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Okay, so now we've got the common factor of negative 1, sorry, x minus 1, and we multiply that by 2x plus 5. Okay guys, that is grouping.